Hello and welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we will go through various Microsoft 365 apps that are available, and maybe those all the apps you might not able to see when you log in with your Microsoft 365 account. Based on your license, you will get it. But few things I'll tell you that which apps which you can access it from anywhere, anytime, because those are all most of the apps are web-based. Desktop application also are available. That means in the web, tablet, mobile, anywhere you can access it. And also, whenever you will log in or whenever you will sign up for a license, then you will get the desktop version of Microsoft 365 apps. So your Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, these things you can install and you can use it. So you will be able to, if you log into admin.microsoft.com, then you will be able to download the apps and you can install it and use it. So basically you don't need to have a separate license for using office applications. You can download this and you can use it. And also you will get with 1 TB of storage, OneDrive storage, cloud storage that you can use, and this is per user. So whatever the licenses you will have taken, every user will get 1 TB of OneDrive storage. And also Microsoft provides that whatever the license you will take, you will be use it in 5 mobile devices, 5 tablets and 5 PCs. So that means in one account you can log in with these many devices. So let's say you are using mobile, tablet and desktop or anything you are using. So you can log in with that and it will be synced. And most important thing is Microsoft is investing a lot of money on improving the new features of Microsoft 365 apps. And as a enterprise customer, you will get it every month. So all the new features, capabilities, it will be available on your tenant or on your licensing. And just to show you, like this is just a screenshot I have taken. I'll put the link so that you can check what are the apps are available. But yeah, this is how like home, business and enterprise licensing options are there, or the business plans are there, or you can say these are the Microsoft 365 plans. And on this, as I said, like home, you will not get all the apps. Same way for business and enterprise, there will be few apps which will not be available. You have to take licensing for that. Now, here are a few apps. So we will go through, these apps. What I'll just give you an overview of that, and also I'll put some links where I have created some videos and uploaded to the YouTube channel, so you can go through that, because these are the videos like how we can use, let's say, Microsoft Bookings. I don't want to put it in the training module, so I put the link. I have created a document for it, but let me just give you an overview of it, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, bookings, forms. So these are various apps that are available. Let's go through it. So for that, what I'll do is I will just show you first of all where you can get all these apps. So now I have put a link. So this link is there where you will be able to see all the apps which are available on this. Like this is a public that URL which is available, but where you can see all the apps. So if you'll log in with admin.microsoft.com, then you'll come up with the admin center. And on this, if you'll see here, now in the app launcher, if you'll see, these are the few apps are there. If you click on more apps, you will be able to see all the apps here. So ultimately, you can, if you'll go to microsoft365.com/apps, you'll be able to see the apps here. So you can see here, if you'll click on all apps, see these are the apps which are all the apps which are available. You can see it here, right? So now I have created a document. So let's say this is the document where I have I put some links, little bit description about it. Let me just go through few apps on that, and then even you can check the few videos which I'll put, and overall you will get an idea what these apps are doing. As a SharePoint developer, you will not use these apps all the time, but yeah, as a business user, if you have the license, you can take advantages of these features, or you can tell to your customers to use these features, right? So Microsoft Bookings, for this I have created a video. You can see the video link here. I have explained it in detail how you can use it. Now let me give you overview. Now imagine you have a small business, so you want people to book your time, and they can come either to your center, or they will come online. You are doing some consulting, you want people to take time and book an appointment with you. Then Microsoft Bookings is the application for that. And just to let you know that this is not available in the home edition. So where this is a app or a scheduling app which you can use to manage your appointments. Now this is available in web version and as well as in the desktop version, and it will be tightly integrated with your Teams and Outlook. So so that your users can schedule, or they can reschedule, they can cancel the appointments. And also booking is integrated with your Microsoft 365 calendar, so that they can see your free time, your available slot, and they can book accordingly. So you can avoid any double bookings on that. And also once they book services, then they can get notifications. You can configure so that they will get notification, they can get reminder emails, they can also you can send a follow-up email. Those things are possible on that. Apart from that, also you can there's an option which you can enable, and you can have a meeting link. It will create a meeting link, and whenever the customers will receive an email, so there will be a meeting link which they can they can click, and they can directly join over there. Is how actually they can use the booking apps. I'll highly recommend that you go through it. Here I have explained how to work with Microsoft Booking app. Same way, Microsoft Forms are there. There you can create forms quickly, very quickly. You can create like survey form, quiz, poll. Let's say you want to create a survey of let's say your customer handling something. So those things you can quickly create. It will auto suggest the questions. It will suggest you, let's say you put a question, it will show the options, and what might be the options you can add. So you don't need to really type everything, right? So this is a very beautiful tool, or very good tool, which you can use to design forms quickly. And this you can your end users can submit the responses. You can see the responses, you can act on that, you can download the responses in Excel format. All these are possible. And also if you have just a Microsoft 365 account, you can use this. So this will be available for home edition also. You can quickly use it, and you can share with your organization, so that they can or any of the users, even an anonymous user, they can also submit the form, or they can give the responses. I have also created a video on that. You can have a look at it. Now Copilot is the AI assistant. You understand this nowadays. AI is everywhere. So you can you can just go through, and if you have a license for Copilot, because they don't have licensing in and they don't have a free or any trial plan, so you have to take a license for it. And once you have it, then you can use it. You can use in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Power Apps, Power Automate. Everywhere Copilot is there. You can see the licensing. It is $30 per month per user. You can see it here. If you'll just pay yearly, as of now the price is $360, and here is the link. You can go through it. Microsoft List. Now if you have a SharePoint developer, little bit knowledge on SharePoint, you will know List, right? So this is the information tracking app. You don't need a SharePoint functionality. You just need to maintain information or track information. Then you can create, or you can use the Microsoft List app. And here you can organize your event, task, issues. So whatever the new features you are seeing in a SharePoint list, all these things are here. You can use List with Microsoft Teams. You can use List as a data source in your Power Automate, Power Apps also. So that means if you have if you want to automate something, the information are there in a Microsoft List, you can do that using Power Automate. Microsoft Loop, like, is a product that it will bring your team, content, task, everything at one place. So Loop is like you will create some pages, and then all the information you can get it from everywhere. So it's like everywhere you and your team, you can see what is happening in your project. So you will be able to get information everywhere from this one. And you can use Microsoft Loop. You have a Microsoft 365 account. Planner, so you can create new plans, assign tasks, you can share files with others, so you can organize teamwork and collaborate on projects in a very simple and visual way. So planner are this application you can use when you are creating a new plan. Microsoft Power Apps. So this is the app which we are going to use. Microsoft Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI. These are the things if you want to become a Power Platform developer, you should know these things. So these are basically a suite of apps, services, connectors, and a data platform which will help you to build applications or apps, custom apps for your business needs without having a requirement of a lot of coding knowledge. So that is the best part. Like with a few clicks, you can create an app which your business users can use it, and the data can be anywhere: SharePoint, Dynamics 365, SQL Server, database everywhere. Power Automate, same thing. If you want to create automated workflows, let's say your business requires some automated solutions, you can use Microsoft Power Automate. These things we are going to discuss a lot of, in our course. Power BI, again, this is for a analytic platform where you can check, your data. So you can create visually reports, dashboards, and you can see. And data can be in SharePoint, can be in Excel. Those things you can do. Microsoft Stream, this is where you can upload videos, you can share, collaborate with your team members. They can access videos anywhere, anytime. Like you can add videos to Teams channel, SharePoint site, Yammer post, anywhere you can do. So basically you can upload there, and you can add the link over there in SharePoint, Teams, and all these things. SharePoint, this is our core thing. So it's a best platform where you can store, organize, share information, documents everywhere from any devices. All these things you can do. You just require a browser to access it, and also you can create sites. This is one of the important feature of SharePoint. It allows you to quickly create sites and permission management. A lot of features we are going to discuss on this. Microsoft Project, this is a project management software or a product that is designed to assist project management, where you can, as a project manager, you can develop plans, assign resources, task, track progresses, manage your budgets. All these things you can do it here by using this project app. Then Microsoft Sway. So this is a digital storytelling app where you can create interactive reports, presentations, stories, and all these things you can do it. So you can see how it is working. And then Microsoft Teams. This is the one app, I think, most popular app in the Microsoft 365. Now everything you can do by using Microsoft Teams. So you can have a team collaboration, you can chat, you can video call, you can have meetings, you can share files, documents, all these things you can do it here. So then Microsoft To Do, this is a task management app where you can create tasks, your day-to-day to-do list you can make. So as simple as this. So you can set reminders, you can plan an event. So these things you can do, and also you can integrate this with Outlook so that you can manage your task easily. Microsoft Viva, this is employee engagement, or you can say employee experience platform, which will bring together the community's knowledge, learning, resources, everything at one place. So here you will see there are three things are there: Viva Connections, Viva Engage, Viva Amplify. Connections, which will be a gateway to modern employees. So in this case, if you'll see here, you can get your company related news, conversation, other things at one place. Same way, Viva Engage is a social networking app that will help you to build community and connection, so that your employees can share their ideas, feedback, stories, all these things. So Viva Amplify is a tool which is designed so that your leaders and communicators can they can message across the organization, so that they can plan, create, and distribute communications, ensure that important messages to reach to the right audience. So this is with all these things, Microsoft Viva is quite popular also nowadays. So these are few apps which I thought you should know as a SharePoint professional or as a Microsoft 365 professional, like I will say. So these apps, so I'll put some links. You can get all the links in this from this document. So the more I'll make videos on that, I'll put links also in that, so that you will always get the updated things.